be okay. Just thought it'd be cool to get still of myself. Well, have you got a picture of me on the boat? Yeah? Oh, okay. There's not enough dangerous fauna for my liking. Yeah. It's quite cool. If it was clear of the water, you get some amazing footage just underneath the mangroves. Yeah. Doesn't really bother me. One thing is bothering me, the back's getting a bit sore, but whatever. It'd been better if I could have got all you guys in front of me. If I do that, I'll wait for you guys to go in front, so I'm taking videos of everyone else too. Gareth and one must be well ahead though, that's the only thing. You go ahead so it looks more, doesn't look as weird with just strangers and I thought the stick was a gator there. I want there to be a gator though, so I can fight it. Is it deep here? Is it deep here? Like I'm nearly, oh look, you can see everyone going through the other side. It's like a yeah. Yeah, it's so cool. Alright, this is enough filming for this bit anyway. Enough filming for this bit.